Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to backup Android photos to Google Photos. For that, make sure you will have Android device. After, just tap on it, this box, and just find Google Photos. Again, just tap on it. After when you just logged in, make sure you will just tap the top right corner of your profile icon again, and just tap on it for backup waiting for Wi-Fi. So just tap on it. After, make sure this button has been turned it on for the backup photos and videos on this device automatically. You can also choose your Google account for the backup, and the quality was original. So in this way you will have to backup Android photos to Google Photos easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.